Better offer. Who's going to set me alight on fired up today? AB's Warriors are going to win. I'm going to sell all the property. We're off to the local RSA to have a cold beer later on, are we, Owen? Yeah, very much so. Righto. And what part of the property don't you want? We probably give you half when we sell them half. But okay, sir. Now you're leaning on your house. You could be owning it, but don't hold your breath yet. But at 700,000, I appreciate the moral support. Can you see that plane? People are migrating here as I speak. So at 700,000, at a bit now. At 725. Thank you. See, look, friendly fellas around here at 725. Now it's at 750, at 775. Ladies, you can interrupt. Your money's just as good. At 775 at a bit now.
800 here.
800, through we go. Puts up the snowman at 825. At 825. What does the telephone say, man? You're just thinking. You can think a little bit louder. What about you guys with the designer dog? I'm loving your dog. $1 million at a bit now. What about the fella having a durry out there? Hey, when I see smoke, I assume there's fire. But good on you. At 1 million, at 1 million and five at a bit now. At 1005 000. Once, twice, last chance. 1 million and five.
1050.
Shit.
1050.
Okay. Yeah, no. I'm just taking my breath back. You took my breath away, sir. 1 million and 50. Sir, that doesn't deter you whatsoever. At 1050 at a bit now. Put up another 5, put up the double 5 at 1,050,000 here on my left. Some instructions. Hold tight, sir, you're in the box seat at 1,050,000 New Zealand dollars. 60. Okay, I'll retract that statement at 1,060,000. At 1,060,000, and I welcome you back. Hey, keep checking your pockets. I can tell that it's not an affordable issue for you at 1,060,000. Sir, this is where you go 1.1. You put up legs 11 at 1,060,000. Okay, 61. Rightio. At 1,061,000. JFK in 65. But it's 65. Love the Oracle. He's consulting the Oracle. Rightio. This is what I'll do, guys. I'll just get some instructions. Everyone, sir, you're in the box seat at 1,065,000.
So,
Rightio. That's okay. 6-6. Clickety click. Sir, land on the 70. There we are. Gee, we're right in sync at the moment, aren't we? At 1 million? Go, 80. No, you're not done. No way. Don't you be pulling on the handbrake. No. Everyone needs a breather from me, sir. At 1,075,000, but you not going anywhere. If he tries to leave, tackle him. At 1,075,000, I'll get some instructions, guys. Hold tight.
Aiden, how do you think the auction's going so far?
Well, to be honest. A little bit of competition, yeah.
That's very good.
75. The good news is I'm going to be selling you this property at 1,075,000 for the want of another bid at 1,075 at a bid now. Is there a little 5,000 from anyone else? But at 1,075,000 you list with Owen, it is going. At 1,075,000 it is echoes around here. Makes me sound good, doesn't it? So to you, sir. Well done.